Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another cooking vlog, and this time I'm cooking lots of recipe because I have guest at home, my friend. My friend arrived from London last night, and on their demand I'm preparing traditional Odia food. I wanted to share a cute story with you all. The day before yesterday around 10:30 p.m. I got a message from my friends saying they were craving typical Odia food. So I asked them what they wanted to eat, and they sent me a list of more than 10 recipes. I was like, okay, I will choose a few dishes from your list and make the rest later. Their first demand was Dalma, as they think I am an expert at making it. Yeah, it's really nice. And the rest item Besara, sago ghanta, aloo bharta, raita, paratha, and rice. Most of the time, you guys will see dalma recipe on my channel because it's nutritious and healthy. It's providing both protein and fiber, and I make it often because it's delicious. Besara means mustard paste curry. Today I'm making a vegetarian one where I will use potatoes and brinjal. For the paste, I will use mustard seed, cumin seed, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. For non-vegetarian, you can add fish or chicken, whatever you want. But I prefer to make vegetarian because it's easier and quicker to make. Sago ghanta is a spinach and moong dal curry with some vegetable. Traditionally, we use pumpkin leaves, but since I don't have those, I'm using spinach. The taste is little bit different, but it's still delicious. And the next recipe is aloo bharta, means mashed potatoes with tomato, onion, and some spices. It's a simple yet tasty dish. So join me as I prepare this delicious traditional Odia dishes. It's going to be fun and busy day in my kitchen. finally the cooking is done. It's been a tiring day, but hopefully my friends will love this recipe. See you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.